谢谢谢谢谢谢。谢谢。What's up, y'all? We at the clothing factory today here in Panyu, Guangzhou. And we're gonna go talk with our manufacturers about some ideas, some pieces, get some sample prices for a few of my customers. So y'all stay tuned. Let's have some fun. I like your drip. I love it. It's cool.
I made it myself.
Oh, really? You made this?
Yeah, the inside.
Is it okay if I film?
So you are like a vlogger or something?
Everything. Vlogger, basketball business, whatever. Yeah. I don't have a title. I have 3 different customers. So 3 different brands, totally different styles.
Different style.
Totally different. So one of my customers is a loungewear customer. Let's start with hers first. I'll show you some photos.
Okay.
This is her loungewear.
Okay.
So this is just some of the options that she's gonna offer. And this is like the headband for spa.
For spa.
Yeah.
And you want the logo on it?
The logo here, yeah. So maybe we will do one white, one black. Maybe the white will be this one, but you see the M there? Maybe no M.
No M.
And then the black one will have the M, but no small words, you see?
Okay.
Yeah. And then this is like a robe for like after shower or like at the spa, you know? But she don't like the color white. Maybe she wants to do like cream.
Cream?
Maybe like a cream. Actually, I brought a robe to show you.
Okay, cool.
I will show you. And this is silk.
I know.
The silk right here. And she wants to do the M. She wanted, yeah, she wanted to be, yeah, exactly, right there. This color, maybe we will change the color. I told her that I like it, but she was thinking maybe she don't want this color. And this right here is similar to a like a crop top, like this. She said she liked this one.
Like this one, this color or this?
I think she want to start with black.
Okay.
Yeah, and on the back, she wanted to say glow up era.
Okay.
Glow up
She
era.
want this slogan on the black.
Yeah, she wants this slogan. This right here is the crop top hoodie. The crop top hoodie.
But the longer one.
But the long, actually no, she want it here. She want both here.
Okay.
But this one gonna have a zipper. And it's gonna have a string here.
Oh,
You understand? Yeah, like here.
But that long?
That length, yeah. She likes this length right here, yep.
Okay.
So we're gonna do this one with this length. And
Like zipper and
yeah, with a hoodie. And it's gonna be exactly this. So the color, and then it's gonna have self-care season, but this font, she don't really like that font right there.
she want to change it?
The words will be the same, but she want to change the name exactly. Change the font, I'm sorry. She want to change the font. And then maybe we will make a mint color green for like a special
like
drop. Yeah, like a spring drop. But the main color is going to be like black, what we started with the samples, right? She also want to make the thigh-high socks for the women. So you see everything kind of go together, you know. So the socks you can wear, then you can wear the crop top too.
Like up to here?
Yeah, like right there,
Not
yeah.
underneath.
Not underneath, not underneath. Let me show you a better photo. I have a team of people in America that help me. We do the mock-ups for the digital mock-ups. And then we put the description here. She doesn't like the white. Actually, I don't like the white either for something like this, you know? I think it looked better with this color or like navy blue. I brought a sample for the robe, actually. 你知道 W 酒店吗? For the white one, she wanted to be just like this. You remember I said the white one she wants to change?
Yeah.
Yeah, she wanted to
She
be
want
just
like
like.
the outside thing or just inside, like the.
So this is gonna be exactly how she wanted, but then we're gonna make the chest here,
Like,
and then the pockets here. But
she want the pocket or not?
I think we should do the pocket. I think we should, because actually, if you're just gonna lounge and just relax, it's okay to have the pocket too. Maybe you just on the couch, you could put your phone inside. Maybe you can, you know, So I think the pocket looks better. And also you see the material on the inside is,
She want this material.
yeah. For the other, yeah, you know silk. So this material for
For the laundry.
yeah, for the exactly. And then for the headband, the spa headband, I think it should be, but this is kind of thick.
Yeah.
So maybe if something can be this material but not so thick, you know what I
有没
mean?
有就是应该是吸水的，它不吸水的话，
This is her theme right here. That's going to be the color theme. Maybe black, white, brown, mint color, and then maybe some
can I see
random
this?
orange. Yeah, of course. So this is her Google document files. This is what she sent me.
这个色卡你看到了吗？
没有，
这个
之前好像没有发给我。
没发到。
I got notes and notes of this stuff, man. This all different
就
clients
这
right
个
here.
和这个，我觉得是需要
All different
留下来
clients right here.
因为这是他今天提的。500
Who buy?
heavier.
这是多少？400。
Yeah.
So he want to do the hoodie like this.
Yeah.
He want to do this GSM, maybe 500 or 400. I think 500 feels better with a zipper.
With a zipper.
Yeah.
就是带链的外套500克的。
And 哪个裤子？
OK。
还有那个。
买多啊。
So yeah, this is what this will be. So imagine this GSM, black, and then 1, 2, the hoodie, and on the back, this is his brand here. This is his logo.
OK。
This you right here, E. This you, E. We'll put the zipper down the middle. On the hoodie, we'll have both bullseyes. At the top, on this side, and on that side, and on the back, another bullseye.
And a little slogan on there.
And a little slogan, but actually that's his brand. It says authorized personnel.
OK。
And then okay, you got some bags, okay. And then just a kuzu. And then the pants are gonna be like this, but the material may be nylon. So I brought some of my pants just to show you an example.
OK。
Let me see. Maybe this material may not be, but just for an idea, I think this material is good.
我看一下，要去那个我们要去找那个菲比克 market， 我们要 check。
How many quality your customer wants?
First, they need samples.
Sample.
But we need to know MOQ as well. Because I think they're just, so one of my customers is just starting. They have it, but they haven't been pushing it that much. I told them the MOQ maybe 50, maybe 100, I don't know. But first they want to make the sample, I sent to them, and then he's gonna drop April 9. You see the design.
OK。
So this one will have this, and this one will have a white one with similar things, you know. So this one is very simple though.
450.
250 is a normal GSM
Yeah.
for cotton t-shirt?
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's up to your price.
其实这个要根据客
Right.
户的标准吧，不一定，有时候他们会挑230，那有时潮牌会挑270，像我那个 Africa 的那个，就是 Africa 的客户，他会挑到320克，那我们出口美国，我们是250克，所有美国的是250克，
250.
Yeah, yeah.
对
Regular one.
对，
这个应该是薄一点的。
大概是多重的？
这个多少？
250。
这是250。
对，250克重。这是重一点的吗？
Actually, I think it'll be more like this
这
one.
个是270，
270.
对，270的这个。Yeah, and also black. And I want to know the size is for woman or for male.
So I think they're gonna be unisex sizes. So I think we should size it for male though, if we do have to choose. 都可以。
都可以。
This is L for America? Is that different? Really? I didn't know. So it's just one down.
那这个是大码，比如说这个是大码，这个是 L 楼。
This is American L. So maybe we can do M because they like to show the muscles. You understand? So maybe we can do M for the black one.
Okay.
And I think maybe 2 M's.
2A.
M, black shirt M, white shirt M. We're gonna do a size M in your samples in this shirt. We making this shirt right here for my boy Brand.
不是他改了，04克。
We're gonna make a couple samples. It's not this shirt, they're just giving me this one right here so I can see the size, feel the GSM, get the material right, and go from there, you know? So he wants the pants to match the hoodie in that way. It's more for the people who are overlooked. It's more for the people who just go to work and do their hard work and do their job every single day. That's the style he wants. That's the people he wants to target.
The second customer?
The second customer, exactly. These are like the samples of the material, of the quality, of the color.
我没有找到烫画的，这个应该也是纸片。
这个是直喷，但是你要拿大货，
但是这是刺绣的，可以。他们有刺。
这个是直喷来的。
哦 ，OK。
We maybe can do sample just on this pattern, this
Okay.
kind of technique. Because if you want to do the digital printing, the price
Oh,
will be.
this is different.
Yeah, it's totally different. The
Oh,
price
yeah,
will be
yeah,
much
yeah.
more higher
Yeah.
if you want to do this in your sample.
Okay.
But after what your customer want, she determine like this one or this one is both okay.
Can we put this one on the black shirt?
On the black shirt, yeah, of course.
This-
Yeah,
okay.
this one is like this.
就是这个，
Yeah.
这个是这个。
而且这个价格也比较便宜。
哦
对，这个 price 也是这个。
哦。
都是
Okay.
烫画。
这是什么？这是我的美国的小马。
This is the packing room, packaging. Wow. So cool. This is Panyu?
Yeah.
This is Panyu. So when we get y'all clothes, we're gonna put it here on the floor. We're gonna get some professional photos so you can put it on your website. Don't worry, we got y'all. Do not worry.
And the photoing, we can do it all here.
Oh, right. Showroom right here. Oh, okay,
Maybe
okay.
like this is Japan or this is for America or some places Europe, anywhere you want, anything you want.
Wow, this is a pretty cool showroom. Maybe I will let you style something for me. Because I have many fans in China too. You need a Chinese person to help you.
Yeah, we can mix together. And
Yeah,
design.
collaboration, a collab, right? You never know.
Yeah.
一张图告诉我哪个错的，一张图把那个图标堆在一起的。没有清楚的，你告诉我哪个是
Alex, the coolest person in the world. Jayo, jayo, jayo. Xiu.
他好了。
The monkey。
还没有是吧？
我记得之前有。这个找什么东西？头带。
头带就是运动的发带有吗？
头带。
运动发带。
That's very good. This is also some of the clothes that you have, huh? I like this varsity jacket.
Oh,
This jacket here.
good vibe.
Actually, for my brand, I made a varsity jacket, but it wasn't the strong one. So maybe when I make another one, I can do it through you.
The detail on it is so good.
My
Yeah,
back.
they can do it too, like this jacket.
Okay.
我们公仔的我们帽子，
Mm.
对，我们做好多帽子。
还有 beanie 是吧？
对，也有做这个。好多帽子，我们做好多。
很多帽子。哦，对，这个。Okay. Hats, beanies, clothes. They can make it here. They're gonna make samples for 3 of my customers. And look at all this here. Yes, my dear.
Yeah, and she is our big boss here.
大老板。
大老板，也是今天的大老板和。So she wants to take the photos, and we can just do our photo video.
Thumbnail. Let's do it.
Let's do
可以
it.
可以。Alex.
Oh my god.
You guys first. We can do it later.
Oh my god. 来考考你。
3, 2, 1。
2, 3.
Okay, see you. See you. Alex, I'm looking forward to your message, okay? Thank you. 1 call away.